say hello. And the following video you're about to see is not one of my normal videos. I've never really vlogged before, but I recently interlocked my hair, and I kind of wanted to do like a timekeeper of how long it would take to interlock my hair. So I vlogged not the entire time, but a lot of the time when I was interlocking my hair, so that I give myself an approximation of how long it takes me. So I wasn't sure I was going to put this footage out because of the lighting is so crazy. It's not edited really, it's just, I didn't think it was good footage. But I'm like, you know what? This is the journey that I'm on. These are the things that happens. Someone might watch it, someone might like it. So if you guys stay tuned, the following clips are just me interlocking my hair, the thoughts that go through my head for the past, it took me about, I would say, 2 days to interlock in total, and I approximated that it took me about 6 or 7 hours to interlock. But I took a lot of breaks in between, which you guys would see. So I hope you guys enjoy this semi-vlog from me, and let me know what you guys think. Have a good day, you guys. Bye. I know you're probably not used to seeing a video like this from me, but basically it is October 17th. It's about 9 o'clock at night, so it's not that late. But I'm in the middle of an interlocking session where I am interlocking my hair. So like I usually do, I have 3 sections. This is just one section up here. Then I divide the back in 2 sections, one here, another one here. I know it's really hard to see, but I'm in my bed. So usually what I do is I just sit in my bed, or on my couch, wherever I'm doing it, but right now I'm doing it on my bed. I'm all ready for bed, so if I get tired and I fall asleep, I just fall asleep. But I'm in my bed, and I usually have my iPad out, which I'm recording on right now, and I watch just a lot of YouTube and just keep going. So I started this back half back here. Started this section like around 8:30, and right now it is about 9:36. It's about an hour. And I'm almost done. I think I could finish this whole entire back section by 10 o'clock. But I had a long day at work today, so I'm very tired. So I'm like, should I keep going? Should I not? I don't know what to do. But honestly, the back for me is pretty quick to do. But it's when I get to the front here is the hardest part, because the front, they're much smaller in the front than in the back. So, yeah. This is when the struggle gets real. This is when I really remember how many locks I have. And I'm like, really, girl? Really? It's a lot of hair. Can you really do this? But I manage to do it every time somehow. And it's been a while since I've interlocked my hair. I think the last time I interlocked my hair, I think it's either June or July, I think. October, I'm thinking. So it's either 2 or 3 months I haven't interlocked my hair, but the time is. By the way, this is the tool that I use. I have the interlocking tools. I got this set of 4, and it comes in different sizes, really small size all the way up to bigger sizes. This is the biggest one. And I have the smaller ones. And I have another one. There's 4 of them. So there you go, all 4. But I tend to use this second to largest one the most. Okay, what was I saying? So I usually watch videos and I don't get the comments. So what I try to do is when I have a free time, I try to go back to those videos and comment. I don't know if that helps. I don't know. I don't think I know what I'm saying anymore right now. I'm tired. I want to sleep. What I might do, and this I do quite often because I'm more of a morning person than a night person. I don't like to be up at night really late. Honestly, I'll probably go to bed in a few minutes and then get up like around 3, 4 in the morning and then start my hair again. And I'm more productive at that time. Like, I'm so much more productive in the morning than at night. So I might just stop this right now and just start back again like 3 o'clock in the morning, and then just knock it out of the park. But yeah, you guys, I'm trying to time this interlocking session to see how long it takes me to really interlock my hair. Hey you guys, so I think I'm going to just call it a quits for the night. I'm really sorry about this light just glaring in your face, but this is not like an official like, you know, really good edited, really good quality video. It's just me documenting my journey. But now it's like it's 10:28. I've finished the whole entire, wait, let me see. Oh, wait a minute, let me show you. So all of this is finished. I would say it took me roughly about 2 hours, only because I took breaks. Yeah, I took a break. I stopped for a while, rested my arm. And tomorrow I'm going to try to tackle this side. And then this is the monster right here. The front to me is always the hardest. I don't know why I don't like doing the front. The back I can get done like quick, very therapeutic. But the front, oh, it drives me crazy. Also because the front of my hair and the back of my hair are two different textures. The front is more straight, more soft, like more straight hair. And the back of my hair is more coarse, more rugged, more tough. So for me, the front is always slipping. It's just too annoying. The back just grabs it and go. It just holds on. It takes. So that's what I've gotten so far. I'm going to take a rest now. So I would say about 2 hours. I would approximate. It took me to do this entire back section. I could have gone faster, but I was just sitting in my bed watching YouTube, taking my time. So I did all of this. Let's see if I can get you. Okay. In 2 hours. So we shall begin this again tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. It is about 4:50 in the morning. I know I wanted to wake up earlier, but I was like, forget it, whatever. I'm going to just sleep it a little bit later. So it's approximately 4:55. This is the time I normally wake up most days anyway. And I'm going to start this side. So the timekeeper, I'm going to start on this side. And I have a movie playing in the background. And we shall see how long it takes me to do this side. So it's approximately 7:45, about 8 o'clock. And this is October 18th. Yeah, better. October 18th, by the way. So I finished this entire left side now. So I did the right side last night, about 2 hours. Then this morning I got up about 4:45, 5 o'clock. I did the left side, and I just now finished. So that, for some reason, the left side took me longer. I don't know why. So let me see. The entire back is done. And soon I'm going to tackle the front. So that's approximately 4 hours, I would say, so far. So two. And now I'm going to tackle the front later. So I'm taking a break now. I'm going to go make breakfast for the family. I don't know when I'm going to tackle the front. Maybe tonight or maybe next few days. I don't know. But the entire back, let me show you. Okay, great people. It is now approximately 9 o'clock. Took a break. I made some banana porridge with cornmeal and oatmeal. So for all my Jamaicans out there, you know what I'm talking about. Green banana porridge, real good. But anyway, I'm about to tackle. I said, why not try to finish it all in one day? I'm going to try and see if I can. So I'm going to try and do the front now. So I'm about to put a movie. Well, I'm going to start watching Rango now, which is a movie cartoon kind of thing. But I never seen it before. It's on demand, so I'm going to put that on while I tackle the front. Alrighty, be back in a few. I guess my pardon. Told you, my pardon is all messed up, but it's alright. It is Monday, October 19th. It is Monday, October 19th. And this is all I have left to do. Sorry I couldn't keep you guys more updated yesterday, Sunday, when I was doing most of it. But on Sundays, it's like usually my only day off from my main job, which is, like I said, I have a very demanding job. And on Sundays, when I spend my days doing a lot of home stuff. So I was doing my hair in the midst of, you know, I have a family, help take care of my family, doing laundry, ironing my son's uniform for school. I also cook. I cook a lot because I do meal preps for the entire week because I'm not, I'm so busy during the week. I'm not home that much. I'm always at work. I do come home at night, but it's like work is very from like open morning to night. So I do a lot of meal prep. So I prepare meals for the whole entire week for my lunch because I'm trying to spend less money outside. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. But yesterday was just crazy busy, so I did most of it while watching movies, in between taking care of my son, in between sweeping, dusting, in between. I just take breaks. I just do something like an hour or two, and I take a break and do family stuff. And then I cook something that basically doesn't require much maintenance, like stuff to put in the oven, stuff that takes their time to cook on their own. So this is all I have left. I was gonna save it until I come home from work tonight, but I'm like, you know what? Why not do it? So it's like about 3:50 in the morning. So basically 4 o'clock in the morning, and I'm gonna attempt to this side, and then I'll see if I have a full calculation of how long it took me to do my hair. Right, so finally done. I'm about to get ready to go to work right now. About to take a shower and everything, but all of it is finally done. So my approximation about how long it took me to do everything, I would say approximately anywhere between 6 to 8 hours, maybe 6 to 7. So I still don't know because yesterday when I was doing most of it, like the top part up here, I just did some like 5 to 8, like about 10 or so. And then I went and I stirred the pot and I did some more, then I came back and I don't know. So, but I started this on Saturday night and this morning I just finished the little patch that I had here. So it's a little bit dry now. I'm going to take a shower and I put some oils in there so that I can at least get some kind of moisture back in my hair. All done. My hair's a little bit tender, but I do not do my hair tight. I just don't. So at least now I know I finished my hair on October 19th. I don't know when I will interlock again. Maybe next 2-3 months. So we shall see. I don't interlock my hair often. I just like my roots to grow nice and healthy. And then when I feel the absolute need, like when they're matted together or when I just feel like it's time, I just do it. I don't recommend this for everyone, especially if you're just starting your lock journey. Try to do it, you know, on a consistent basis so that your hair can get into that pattern. And then when it gets more mature and older like mine, do it whenever you want to. It works for me. Do whatever works for you. But whenever you do it, make sure you don't do it too tight. Sorry. Make sure you're not doing it too tight. Make sure even if you're retwisting, you're not retwisting too tight. You're just doing the basic just to train your hair to that pattern. So yeah. But yeah, that's it, you guys. So I need to trim my hair. I still have to trim the ends, but that will come at some point. Bye.